Hi, I am Dr. Shantakumar Patil, Professor, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Today I am going to give introduction about data mining. This is my second session. First, we will see why data mining. Present day, the growth of data is from terabytes to petabytes. To collect such a huge data, automated data collection tools and database systems are available. The major sources of these abundant data are business, science, and society. We are drowning in data but starving to extract knowledge from data. Necessity is invention. This is how an automated data analysis system, data mining comes into the picture. Data mining discovers knowledge from non-trivial, previously unknown databases. Alternative names for data mining are knowledge discovery in databases, knowledge extraction, pattern analyzer, business intelligence. Knowledge discovery process, as we had already discussed in the previous session, in data warehouse, the data is collected from the different databases, maybe the flat files, papers. It need to be cleaned and need to be integrated before storing it in the data warehouse. Once the data stored in the data warehouse, some of the data are selected for the processing. So once the selected data mining tool is applied. So data mining tool, it evaluate the patterns and knowledge is developed. Example, a web mining framework you can take. Web mining usually involves data cleaning, data integration from multiple sources, warehousing the data cube construction, data selection for data mining, presentation of the mining results, pattern and knowledge to be used are stored into knowledge bases. So this is the animation of the data integration. So data mining is used in the business also. So that is what it is called as a business intelligence. So in the business intelligence, the data is collected from the different data sources, maybe from the paper, manually you can call files, web documents, scientific experiments, database systems. So data is coming from the different places. So data need to be integrated. So integrated functions is used to integrate the data which is coming from the different sources. Data need to be exploration. So for that, the different techniques are used: statistical summary, querying, and reporting. Then information to be discovered. So for that, the data mining tools are used. Data, once the data is mined, it need to be visualization. So for that, data presentation techniques are used. Once the data is presented, so decision can be made depending upon these data presentation. Data mining views the data in multidimensional, hence data need to be arranged in multi-dimension. Data to be mined is generally from the database data, data warehouse, transactional data, spatio-temporal, time series, sequence, text and web, multimedia, graph and social and information networks. So these are some of the database from which the data can be mined. The functions used in order to mine the data, the characterization, discrimination, association, classification, clustering, outlier and analysis, etc. Technique utilized: data intensive, data warehouse OLAP, that is online analytical processing, machine learning, statistics, pattern recognition, visualization, high performance, etc. Application adopted: retail, telecommunication, banking, fraud analysis, biodata mining, stock market analysis, text mining, web mining, etc. These are some of the functions used in the data mining. The first one is a generalization. Information is gathered to construct data warehouse. Data cube technology is adopted for computing multidimensional aggregates. So this is what the first function called as a generalization. What items frequently purchased in supermarket is what you can call it as the association and correlation analysis function. Construct model based on some training example to predict unknown class labels, which uses function called classification. Typical classification techniques are decision trees, Navy Basin classification, support vector machines, neural networks, rule-based classification, pattern-based classification, logistic regression. Typical applications of this classification function: credit card fraud detection, direct marketing, classifying stars, diseases, web pages. To segregate variety of the data in data warehouse, clustering function is used. Data object does not comply with other object in data warehouse, like noise and exception, need to be analyzed by using outlier analysis. So this is the fifth function of the data mining. So some data are there, they never cooperate with the other data. So this should be removed with the help of the function called as a outlier analysis. So data mining uses the varieties of the multiple disciplines. One is a machine learning, pattern recognition, statistics, visualization, high performance computing, database technology, and algorithm. So this is the reference used in the preparation of the PPT. Thank you.